Hi everyone, it's Monday and I thought we'd do some science experiments today. So if you remember back in December, we did the borax and candy cane experiment. So I thought that we would try a heart experiment this time. So I've taken a pipe cleaner and I've bent it into a heart shape. And I've already attached it to my tongue depressor or my stick. And I'm going to lower it down into my jar. You can see there's still some crystals on there from the other one. You can see them around the other jar. So I have my super hot water here. And in here I have my borax. So I'm going to dump it into my super hot water. And I think I might need a longer stick here. Oh, I think this pencil might work, but I'm going to dissolve it. Just make sure it's all dissolved. So you can see, I don't want to tip it because I don't want to spill it. And I thought it might be fun, since it's Valentine's Day, to try to add some food coloring to it to see if we can get red crystals. So I'm going to put a few drops of red food coloring into the water in the cup. Just give it a little bit of a stir to make sure it's all dissolved. Feels good on my hand because we're kind of doing an hot and cold experiment. So now I've got my jar and I'm going to pour the liquid into my jar. So I'm going all the way up to the top. So my heart is fully submerged in there. So you can see it's all in there and it's red and it's fully submerged. So we'll have to wait until tomorrow to see if the crystals start to form on the heart. Now, my other experiment I had for today was, I've always kind of wondered if snow we know snow has liquid in it, right? But how much liquid is in it? So I went outside the library and I filled up our little watering cup here. I usually use this for some science experiments here at the library. But as you can see, I pretty much tried to fill it all the way up to the top with snow. Some of it has already started to melt. So we'll have to see tomorrow exactly how much water is in the snow. Now, some will probably evaporate out just by being at the library overnight. But we'll see how much is in there. Might be cool to add some food coloring to it too, since it is Valentine, the week of Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna add a few little drops of food coloring in there. You can see I don't know if you can see it. I added it in at the top. Maybe mix it around a little bit. We'll see if we get some red water in here tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I'm curious. Are you? So those are 2 science experiments today. Like I said, with the borax, that's the detergent that you can find at the grocery store. And I'll show you what the box looks like. The box looks like this. And it's usually up on a high shelf near where the detergents are. And you'll need a popsicle stick, some strings, and a glass jar because you're putting a hot liquid into it. So that's the short and easy hot and cold experiment for today. See you later. Bye.